Uthuthuria wa postmortem wa mwiri wa Johana ng'eno hamwe na andu angi atano aria makuruhanire mutino-ini wa ndege muthia-ini wa kiumia kihituku ni utabanirio umuthi nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya RIRI guku Nairobi. Uthuthuria wonanitie acio atandatu makuire kumana na nguraro itiganite cia gutihangio mutwe, githuri, munyiginyigi o hamwe na mahia maria macungiriirio ni mutino wa ndege.
Also varying levels of burns. Some were burns beyond more than others, but they were identifiable. So with that, what you can say is that they died because of multiple injuries and burns, and these were caused by the helicopter crash.
Johana was a very gifted member of parliament, never speaking out of turn, never offending the standing orders of the House, and constantly consulting where he needed to consult to make rational decisions.
Maya makinyanirio riria atongoria matiganite ari ni hamwe na speaker wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula, minister wa ugitiri wa mihaka Soipan Tuya hamwe na bunge angi mekinirie mucii kwa ng'eno mwena wa Karen kunyitanira na family.
As a parliament, we have lost one of our finest in conduct, finest in debate, finest in leadership, a member who was doing his third term, who was privileged to be the chair of the Committee on Housing, overseeing the very critical government program of affordable housing.
We joined in 2013. I served my 2 terms at the Women Rep for Narok County with him. And he was a very supportive colleague throughout our stint in Parliament, a very committed leader to the people of UMURUA DIKIRR, very committed member of Parliament.
Mihango ya mathiko etanyitwo gugatabanio muthi wa gatano mwena wa UMURUA DIKIRR kaunti-ini ya Narok. Wetangula o ringi akiuria ruhonge rwa ukui wa ndege kugathika mitaratara mirumu niguo gwithema kwiyumiria kwa mitino na makiria riria kuri na ucenjia wa riera.
This reminds us of the tragedy we suffered in Marsabit when we had an air crash that claimed the late Honorable Godana and many members of parliament.
The whole nation is mourning the death of Ng'eno. Ng'eno is a great member of parliament who has most of the times come in my constituency to make sure that we partner in inspiring our young people, our talented people.
Muthenya wa ruciu ni gutanyitwo gugatabanio mahoya kanitha-ini wa Baptist mwena wa Karen. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.